missing the road.
Ah! What's up there?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
we just
yeah.
did some major running with it, and one of the neighborhood kiddos is out here, so we're letting him take a run with it as well. And so him and Cody are doing some driving around out here. So I'm going to switch the camera around and take a look at it.
I'm loving it so far. Oh.
Oh!
Bring it back.
Yo, yo, yo. Joy, come on. Get in there.
Oh yeah, these are awesome, Cody. What do you think? I mean, look at this. They're going pretty far out there.
It's pretty good considering that it went almost to the stop sign. Once it got closer to the stop sign, it started losing control.
Oh yeah, these were pretty good.
Pretty good, got pretty good distance. The suspension's pretty good on them. Speed, I love.
Oh yeah, right out of the box,
The
these
steering
things were fast.
The steering is like almost excellent. It goes completely, you know, what's the word I'm looking for? A very sharp turn.
Oh yeah, and check this out. This is it, lightning speed, lightning high speed. Lightning high speed performance. High performance RCs by, there it is right there, so I can get it focus on it. By Larvey. Oh yeah.
Larvey.
Not bad for some Amazon cars, loving it.
Love Amazon vehicles.
Oh yeah.
I think I'd give this 5 stars.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, I had a good time with these. We ran it. I did some donuts, and kind of hard for me to film myself doing donuts. And Cody was running his. So
I tried to do a few donuts, but I'm trying not to hit the kid.
Yeah, the neighbor's little boy was out here. He's out here playing with Cody with RCs as well. So, but we got a couple more we're gonna try out. Yeah, we might be able to get them in this video, or it might be in another video. We shall see.
It depends on the batteries.
Definitely. So until next time.
You know what to do. Stay awesome, stay extreme, and I'll see you in the next video.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.